we're at my buddy Bryce's house. We're going to clean his boat. Here's the damage on it. This is some, what'd you say this was?
Redwood stain overspray.
Okay, yeah.
Like
you can see this. Oh yeah, just like that. Look, you're covered. Yeah, it's pretty good. All right. What kind of boat you got here, friend?
A 2005 Flats Cat.
All right. And she'll go in shallow water you was mentioning earlier, huh?
Very shallow. It's the most shallow running boat there is.
Really? Who makes this?
It's just a guy in Rosenberg. It's called Flats Cat. And it's the only
Wow.
boat he makes.
So she'll run in shallow water. That's cool. Okay, we're going to clean all this. We're going to polish it. We're even going to polish the metal. Any aluminum we're going to polish. That front glass we're going to polish. This, we'll want to remove that, you know, to get behind there real good. This will be polished. We're going to remove it all there, polish that, and of course the engine, you know,
it's got it all over it. It's hard to see except
it's all
on the
over
blue.
it.
It shows up on the blue there.
It's covered, but you know what? I'm going to polish that engine. It's going to look as good as the day you put her on there. Buff it with this. We're going to use the portal there to polish areas we can't get. And we're going to use my blade here. You know all about that. You've seen the videos,
Saw it on
right?
your videos.
We're going to use that to shave it. Now we're going to get started on it. Now we're going to buff it. Look at that. That's it. We've polished some of the engine. Now we're going to polish the lower end. We're almost done. We've got half the engine done, because you know how I like to check it out. Every piece of that Thompson water sealer is off that trim. You see that? Not one piece on there. White letters, out of there. Plus, I polished the engine itself. I even polished the bottom of it. Now here's the other side. Not polished. Here's the you see those dots all up in there, those little red dots? That's the paint sealer. You know, like the stuff you put on your deck, I guess, Thompson's, whatever. Anyway, I'm going to clean the center console. I want to show you, this thing is really hit. Look at the damage. Look at the damage right here. They Thompson sealed this sucker. Look at that sticker. Go all around the holes there. Now let's check out the wheel. Check all that out. All that in there. The other side, this side actually doesn't look quite as bad as the other. There. Again, look at the damage. You can already consider that thing too. Alright, we got us a little mixture here. It's non-lethal, but it does have a little kick. Watch. I'm using it with the clay bar. Using this with the clay bar to clay through this Thompson seal. Look at that. It's beating right through it. Basically, I'm going to sit here and do this and get this dash here clean, and then I'm going to polish it. Half of it done. Look at this. Every piece is out of there. All around here, all through here, all through here. Here's the other side. See all that? See all that? It's covered. Here's the side I haven't done yet. Look at that. Now let me bring you on around here. And of course, that's the beautiful side that I've already done. Look at that. Every piece is out of there. Every piece is out of that sand. Every piece is off that decal. Look at that. Every piece is off around all this. All of it. It's perfect. Look at that. You can't beat it. All around the knobs, the steering wheel. Polished all through here. This is all polished with the buffer too. Not just, you know, not just remove the product, but polish it too. All these sides down here.
It looks
Oh yeah, that was all boogered up with that stuff. Every little corner, everything. All the chrome, the front. I cleaned this Trojan motor here. You can see the stuff on it. It's everywhere. All over here, all in there. Look at that. All through here. She be hit. We're gonna clean it though. Right, Blue? We're gonna clean it. That says so right there. This little dude cleaned. Look at that. Perfect. Remember this bar here? It was coated. All this was covered. This piece here was hammered. Of course, we still got to go over it. Make sure every little bit is gone, but she's looking pretty damn good. The damage on this boat. See? All through here. Oh yeah. She's heavily damaged. All through here. Basically this entire side right here is hammered with these dots. We're gonna polish this side done here. Look at that finish. All between the letters, everything is gone. Look at that. Okay, now we're gonna come up. Look at that. Not a speck on there, friends. Sign. Look at that shine. Now I'm gonna bring you to the other side. Hello, engine. You're looking good. I polished here. Now I've left this undone so you could see the severity of it all. Look at that. See that? Now you see right here, watch this. Now you're about to see where I've polished it. Coming up right there. That's been polished. This hasn't. Look at that. Let me give you a better shot. Polished. Going to get polished. What I'm doing is I'm taking that top layer of this water stain off. I'm quite lucky it's in the form to where it has, you know, some body to remove, because if it was just stained, well, it's very hard to remove. And what I'm doing is I'm blading it, like I said, taking off the top layer of it. Otherwise, you're not getting this stuff off. Because you know I don't like to use chemicals. You can hear that stuff, man. check it out though. That's what she's going to look like when I'm done. Now we're going to take my old Henry buffer here. We're going to buff out some more of this Thompson water seal off this boat. I've bladed it, I've clayed it, and it still won't come off. But I know my baby right here will take it off. Watch. There though. Not one piece in there, look at that. Not one piece of overspray in that. Are on this, but let me check you over here. This is the remaining bit on here. All up in them ladders. That's what we got to keep. Got this sucker all buffed. We've removed everything off of it. We've polished it. We've polished the driving component up there. We've polished the engine, everything. I'm done with this vehicle.